Wakey, wakey, wakey. Wake up, wake up, wake up. I see stuff in threes, don't I? Yes, yes, yes. Somebody at work that used to work where I work, do that, say in threes. It's cool. I said it better than the way I do it. Here, I'm checking, make sure everything's fully operational. I'm checking, make sure everything's fully operational. Wow. I'm a ventriloquist. No, I'm not. I said something and it repeated it back to me. My same voice. Technology. Good old technology. Morning, Andrew. Thanks for joining me this morning. My morning wake-up call with a story, a message, and a challenge for myself. Anyone may be listening. Surprise, surprise, surprise. Surprise, surprise, surprise. What was that from? Yeah. Private Pile. Gomer Pile. Surprise, surprise, surprise. Or the Andy Griffey Show. One or the other, I can't remember. Inspections, inspections, inspections. Lots of inspections. I remember junk on the bunk inspections. Gear on the bunk, junk on the bunk inspections. Dog and pony shows. Inspections. Field days. And Friday morning white glove inspections. Make sure everything's clean. Yeah, every week on Thursdays, we would clean house. Field day. It's called Field Day, where we clean before an inspection of the next day. Cleaning most times lasts late into the night. Sometimes, unless you got good at it and a good bunch of guys that team up and get done quickly. Instead of taking forever to do it. Sometimes we don't have time to clean before an inspection, which can appear announced or unannounced inspections. I remember surprise barracks inspections because I've been on both sides, being inspected and being inspector, where those in charge were ordered to thrash the rooms looking for contraband, which that contraband usually was found from good stuff to illegal stuff. I remember one Marine got in trouble for keeping a flashbang grenade. Training out in the field one time. No, we can't keep contraband in there. Remember, yeah, and during those inspections, you can find not only what's obvious, but what's not so obvious, what's hidden. Some could even be detectives and grill you to find out secrets where there be none or even unknown. We may have started with what we thought was clean, with a clean room, clean barracks, but they found contraband. Thanks. High five back at you. May have started with a clean room, but they would find contraband in a room and end up in shambles. Stuff thrown everywhere. Well, foot lockers emptied, stuff thrown everywhere. It left it in shambles. We'd think twice again about having an unclean room next time, since it takes almost forever to clean it up after that surprise inspection. Field day, or there's no, I can't remember the other word we call it. Some bad word, surprise inspection. I'm still cleaning the house, figuratively and literally. Back then, now, and every day going forward, internally and externally, cleaning the house, cleaning my thoughts, cleaning actions, deeds, and cleaning hidden junk. Because stuff's there, not only with real stuff, but thoughts and actions and deeds and things we do every day. What comes to mind of sharing this surprise inspections, getting in trouble and clean all day is Psalm 19, 12, 13. Psalm 19, 12 through 13. Who can understand his errors? Who can understand his errors? Cleanse me from secret faults. Keep back your servant also from presumptuous sins. Let them not have dominion over me. Let them not have dominion over me. Then I shall be shaped blameless, and I shall be innocent of great transgression. Follow that up with Paul wrote in Romans 6:14, for sin shall not have dominion over you, for you are not under law but under grace. So May I escape into His grace. Big man upstairs grace. Everything I say and do as I walk, talk, chew it out. Because I still got some cleaning to do. There's 3 basic things one of my mentors told me. 3 basic things to God of living is to trust the big man upstairs, trust in God, clean house, and help others. So clean, clean, clean. It just says surprise, surprise, surprise. It shouldn't be a surprise. Read more some good words like Psalms and Romans. Clean house. That's my challenge for today. Anyone else may be listening? Again, thanks for joining me. If you ever want to collaborate online or inbox me, or all it takes is a web camera and a computer and a good internet connection. Get some FaceTime, share some good stories and not so good ones, and we'll walk, talk, chew it out. We'll stumble and fall times, and I get back up again. And this has helped me read every day and do that. Trust, clean, and help. Yes. Yeah, thanks for watching, Andrew. Thank you. Have a good day. Hopefully it'll warm up soon. Snow's melting. So this is Brent the Blabber signing off for now. Be blab, blue, blabber, blue, blab, blue. I see, survive. I was able to survive and never die. Signing off.